In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add transitions to pages in Canva. Transitions are the little animations that play when you move from one page to the next. They help your presentation or video feel smoother and more professional, and they're quick to set up. Start by opening your project. Along the bottom of your screen, you'll see the page thumbnails for your design. Find the page where you want the transition to begin. Right-click on that page, and in the menu that appears, click Add Transition. This tells Canva to place a transition between this page and the next one, so when your project plays, you'll see that animated effect as you move forward. Once you choose Add Transition, look to the left side of your screen. You'll see a panel with different transition styles. Click through these options to preview how each one looks on your slide. The preview helps you quickly get a feel for the timing and movement without committing to anything yet. Take a moment to try a few styles so you can pick one that fits the tone of your project, whether that's clean and subtle or more dynamic. After you pick a transition, you can fine-tune it. You'll see controls to adjust the duration, which changes how fast or slow the transition plays. A shorter duration keeps the pacing snappy, while a longer duration creates a more relaxed feel. There's no single right answer here. Match the speed to your content and audience. If your project moves quickly, keep it short. If you're aiming for a cinematic feel, a slightly longer transition can work nicely. Some transitions include a direction setting. That means you can choose whether the animation pans left, right, up, or down. Pick a direction that supports the movement in your design, like sliding in from the side where the next visual element appears. This small adjustment can make the flow feel intentional. You might also see a color option for certain transitions. Use this to align the transition with your brand palette or to echo a key color on the page. Consistent color choices help everything look cohesive. When you're happy with the transition, that's it. Your change is saved as you go. Click around your pages and play the preview to confirm everything feels smooth. Keep your selections consistent across pages so the experience doesn't feel jarring, and favor subtlety over overly flashy effects unless your project calls for it. With just these quick adjustments, your pages will connect seamlessly and look polished from start to finish.